Curious about the meaning of the dashboard warning lights in your 2023 BMW 4 Series? In this guide, we explore the indicator lights and instrument cluster to help you understand their functions and ensure a safe driving experience. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Climate control is a system that regulates a vehicle's interior temperature, humidity, and airflow for optimal comfort. A steering wheel is a circular control device used to maneuver and direct a vehicle.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Steering and lane control assistant, brake system. Parking brake. Risk of collision, pedestrian warning. Forward collision warning, vehicle detected from left. Seatbelt reminder, airbag system. Dynamic stability control, anti-lock braking system. Dynamic traction control activated, tire pressure monitor. Engine warning light, steering system. Collision warning switched off, rear fog light. Lane departure warning, collision warning restricted or failed. High beam headlights, turn signal. Side lights, low beam headlights. Automatic high beam assistant, lane departure warning. Automatic hold, manual speed limiter. Cruise control, active cruise control with distance control. Speed limit assistant activated, speed limit assist. Lane change assistant in progress. Lane change assistant not possible. Lane change assistant functional requirements not met. Assisted driving mode plus. Rear seat belt reminder, drive power indicator. Safety precautions, know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.